Ownknew. We covered one of their projectors in the past. It's the H6. It was the RGB projector, if you guys remember that video. They make some pretty good, pretty affordable projectors, I'd say. So this one's an electric focus video projector. It's native 1080p. It's got Wi-Fi 6 capabilities. It's got Dolby audio built in. It's got auto Keystone correction, which is huge actually for projectors. If you ever manually adjusted Keystone, it's not fun. And it comes with a bunch of built-in apps, comes with its own app store. It's got YouTube, Netflix, and Prime Video. Let me just, all right, there it is. We get a little HDMI cord. We get a couple Q-tips to clean the lens. That's thoughtful. Cute little remote. It's got a Netflix, a YouTube, and a Prime Video button. I'm not sure what that extra one is. Maybe that's just a macro. Maybe you just take a screenshot. Not sure. We get an audio splitter cable. I don't know why you would ever need this, but if you need it, they got it. Maybe before my time. I don't know what that is. We get a power cable. Not too terribly long, but we make do. Anyways, let's get it open. The star of the show here. We got a couple things hidden below. Got a manual, pretty thick manual. Customer service and warranty card from Amazon. And the projector. There it is. Comes with a little cover. Hello. I'm gonna leave that on for now. Got some buttons on the top, power, left and right. Got a back button, got an OK button. On the interface, we got an HDMI port, just one. We have a USB and another USB. We have an AV, which is this. So I guess this is just straight up AV in case you wanna play like the old consoles or whatever, you can do that. And you have a headphone jack. All right, there's your little power on the side. You got some speed holes there, keep it nice and cool. Same on this side. It's got a little stand that you can unscrew to give your angle in case you want to angle it up. Comes with one of those built in. That's the highest it goes right there. Not bad. Seen this technology before. Simple, but it works. Gets the job done. Little air filter there in case you want to do some maintenance. Pretty easy to take in and out. Just blow it with a little duster, whatever. Okay, well there it is. There's the projector. All in all, I mean, first impressions, it feels a little light. I like the little kickstand, that's cute. It could do with maybe some rubber on the kickstand, would be kind of cool. Other than that, I like it. It's got nice little rubber feet for some shock absorption. It's got a clean look. It's nice and small, which is, you know, some projectors get freaking huge, you know, but this will take up just a little bit of space. I don't know, I just like its simplicity. I like that it comes with an AV cable, that's sick. But yeah, so there, oh, and you can even see the little speaker in the back, kind of in there. But it's got everything you need, you know, you don't have to buy a bunch of extra equipment to go along with it. It's got sound. It's got, I mean, it even comes with an HDMI cable. So it comes with everything you need. All you need is like a console, if you want to play some games on it. Or if you don't have anything at all, then you could just use the built-in apps because it connects to the Wi-Fi. So no need to plug in like a Roku or Xbox or a Switch or whatever. You can just use it by itself. So with that being said, pretty impressed so far, but obviously we got to see what it looks like. I'll get a projector screen set up here so we can see what it looks like and then test it out, watch a couple videos, maybe play a game. I'll see you there once the screen is set up. Okay, so here it is, first look, looking pretty crisp. It took a little bit of setup. It was a bit blurry to begin with, so I kind of had to do a manual focus, but the auto Keystone does appear to work. I'm kind of impressed with the quality. I thought it'd be a little bit worse than this for 250 bucks. It's a 350 lumen, so not like, you know, totally top of the line, but it'll get the job done. Speakers work. Okay, it can only play 1080, but that's good. That's fine. 1080p native after all. That's pretty crisp for 1080. Speakers are very loud. All right, very impressive. I don't know what else to say. This thing is just peak. Look at that bird. That's a real bird right there. That ain't bad at all. The one thing I noticed is if you I did manually adjust the Keystone a little bit, and when you manually adjust the Keystone, it kind of messes up the edge a little bit, just on the top. It's Gary. All right, so now that we've seen a YouTube video on this thing, let's go ahead and test out a quick game on the Switch. We're gonna bring out the Switch 2 for this one, so I'll see you there. I've had it, we're playing Pokopia. We've made quite some progress here. You guys take a look at my... Actually, the latency is really good. What's happening? I'm spinning. Oh, I got sick. All right, we're going home. I feel like everybody just gave up on Pokopia, and I don't think that's cool, man. Nobody streams it anymore. Sad. There I am. I'm in my little sailor outfit. What? This is my house. Isn't it beautiful? What's up, bro? What are you doing? Dang, thanks, dude. Look at this. Yo! I bet y'all ain't seen this. Yeah. Isn't it beautiful? What's up? What's up, bro? How's it going? Did this guy evolve? When did you evolve? Excuse me? When did you evolve? Anyways, check it out. Isn't it beautiful? Pokopia, ladies and gentlemen. They're arguing. They're beefing. Yeah, they're not homies right now. They're arguing. Okay, well that's gaming. You guys get it. I mean, it's cute for stuff like this. You know, you can play games on it. You can watch TV on it. You could, you know, if you don't want to use the HDMI, you just want to use the smart features, you can do that too. But with projectors, I like the game on projectors. I don't know why, but just having that nice screen really helps, especially like, I don't know, playing like Mario Party with the fam or whatever it is. It's fun. So let's just go through the settings real quick on this bad boy. See what else we got going here. You got Bluetooth connection here in case you want to connect anything through Bluetooth, like a sound bar, speakers, whatever. You got your picture settings. This is your auto keystone. You also have 4 sides correction. So if you want to change this or do anything like that, do one of these. You could do that. Here's another 4-point correction in case your corners are messed up for some reason. You could do image zoom. You could zoom it down. You want to make it smaller, or you can make it bigger. This is our manual focus. This is where we had to go when we first got the projector because it doesn't have, unfortunately, it doesn't have autofocus. So you have to go in here and set it. So you just come into focus and you just hit up or down, and it'll focus it. Pretty nice. We have picture mode here. I have it on cinema. There's a bunch of different ones. Cinema looks the nicest to me. And then you have projection. You can do front, rear, front ceiling, rear ceiling. For sound, I have sound style on vivid, but you can do any of these settings. You could adjust the bass and the treble independently. You can turn sound surround on. I have that on. Digital output mode, you can change that to any of these if you got it. You got TTS if that's something that you need, and dialogue enhancement. Then you have some system settings, all the basic stuff. That's pretty much it. So that's your Ownknew GC357. If you guys like it, take a look at the link in the description if it's something that's for you. I think it's a pretty cool beginner to intermediate projector. If you're just trying to get your foot into the projector game and you're looking for something to start, I think this is a great one. Definitely stand by Ownknew. They make some good products and they last a long time. That's pretty much all I got for you guys. I hope you check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment, tell me what you think of the projector, and I hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Peace. Thanks for watching.